You know, when they sick, so come and get on for take with the little pain, you know?
Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. Currently I'm at the laundromat. As you guys can see, I was here the other day, but I had to make another trip, an early trip, because I had to make another trip because Jose and Ajari are sick. And last night, I'm telling you guys, it was bad. Ajari wouldn't stop throwing up. Threw up all over mine and Adrian's bed, because when they're sick we like to keep them close. So he was sleeping on the bed with us. And he just got up and was crying, and all of a sudden he started throwing up he didn't eat much yesterday. That was my first sign that he wasn't feeling good. So let me put some chapstick on before I continue, because my lips are looking a little whoopoo.
Mommy, we're playing games, that's why.
Hold on.
Okay, Mommy.
1 second, after we can finish. So yeah, so my first sign that Ajari wasn't feeling well was he wasn't eating much yesterday. Ajari loves eating his pancakes in the morning, his blueberries, whatever it is. He likes to eat his breakfast. Lunch, he'll eat his lunch. Dinner, it's a hit or miss, and I have to give him some snacks. But yesterday he wasn't eating anything. So I realized, okay, he was coughing a little bit here and there and stuff, and then middle of the night, he just got up and started throwing up everywhere. And it was hard because I didn't get rest the night before because I was studying for a quiz for school. And then last night I had to study for an exam, but I had to go to bed early because I wasn't feeling well. I was just tired. My body was just drained. Luckily, I was able to do the exam and I passed with an A+.
No, you passed with a minus.
It's not an A- Jamir. 34.17. Yeah, so Adrian took over because he realized I was getting really frustrated and I was very tired. So he ended up taking Ajari and making sure he was good and getting him his milk. He still didn't drink nothing. He wouldn't drink anything. And then he ended up staying out in the living room with Ajari and sleeping because I guess he wanted to give me some rest because Jose was waking up as well. But it was easier to handle Jose because I can rock him back and forth and I would fall asleep with him. So it wasn't too bad. But Ajari, it was bad last night. And so I'm at the laundromat. The reason for this, I'm at the laundromat and I'm washing the clothes. And yeah, I'm gonna go home to my sick babies and try to get them better, cuddle them and make them feel good. Jeremy?
Let's go.
How was your day?
That's why Daddy was at the couch with her.
Yeah. You're wondering this morning when you got up? How was school? How was school?
Bad. Just joking. It was actually good.
Yeah?
Yeah, so it was just good.
Okay, well, let's take out the clothes. Come on, you're working.
Nope.
Take out the clothes of the, come. Okay, take it out.
Fine.
You don't really have a choice. It's a part of your chore. Do you say you want to do more chores?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, then you're gonna give me more.
No, it doesn't work like that. Let's go.
No, we're not doing those chores.
Come on, take out the stuff. It is chores. Chores are not meant for you to be paid. Really, I can give you money, but it doesn't have to. Like in life, when you grow up, Jameer, you have your own place. No one's paying you to clean up your place. These are life skills that you need for the rest of your life.
This is easy.
Right? These are things you have to do.
This is so easy.
Yes, exactly. Alright, so me and Jameer just went to the convenience store right beside the laundromat. And let me tell you how my child is. I already told you guys before that Jameer is very light. He won't eat certain things like cookies in a pack. If it's broken in half, he thinks maybe somebody broke it, or maybe he thinks really deep. Anyways, I just went in the convenience store to get quarters to put in the dryer. And I said to Jameer, Jameer, you want something in here? You want a snack or something? Jameer looked at me. I knew he was gonna say no, but I just, just asking, just to be nice. I said, Jameer, you want a snack or something? And Jameer said, oh, I don't know. It was kind of sketchy in here. Jamira doesn't understand convenience stores have like a whole bunch of random stuff in it, but
It looks sketchy. I don't know.
what do you mean?
Like it looks sketchy. Like how like stuff it was dirty a little. Like I don't know. It looks weird with the things.
Is everything everywhere, random stuff?
Yeah. It was sketchy.
Listen.
Like Walmart and Best Buy, fine, but.
Listen, growing up, convenience stores with a spot. If you know, you know. Like when I was younger, we used to get like a quarter, and we can go to the convenience store, and when you ask for a candy bag, you get your candy bags, and you get the 5-cent candies or the 10-cent candies, the quarter candies, and you just fill up your bag with how much money you have, and that was it. That was fun. That's what we used to do. There used to be containers with different kinds of candies, like sour peas, different kinds of candies, you know, and we would just say if we had $1, I'll get like a whole bunch of 5-cent candies, so my bag was like filled. You know, I'll get a bunch of 10-cent candies, or I'll get a couple of 25-cent candies to equal to what I had. It was good times. And then you get your little slushie, and you go and walk back home.
Yo, convenience stores look sketchy.
Some of them do. That one definitely looked very sketchy. That one looked a little, I wouldn't buy anything from there. I've been there before, and I was really thirsty, and I was like, yeah, I'm not getting anything. So.
Yeah, this looks really sketchy. Like, it looks sketchy. But that place looks sketchy.
All right, come put the money in the dryer, please.
Like before, is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
But that says 2 minutes.
Yeah, so put it, we need more time. We need more. Yeah, because it went down. We were gone for 4 minutes. And we were talking a while ago.
Like, what happened? Oh no, there's like a plane.
Is it a minute per quarter? Keep going.
No, it's like
Oh, okay. At first second I thought I was at 6 and 7.
Remember me?
So Jameer, I don't look too watery because Jam made me a little emotional a while ago. But Jameer, one of Jameer's favorite meals is just something I just made up. I don't know. You know how they have the hamburger helpers and they put like ground beef with like the noodles, the cheesy noodles. So I'm like, let me do some macaroni and cheese with some ground beef. And Jameer and Jari love it. Like they eat it so fast. Like, and they always come back for more. And then Jameer loves his rice and hot dogs. If you know about rice and hot dogs, you know about my rice and hot dogs and how good it is.
But then we done.
Oh, relax. Or what I give to him sometimes is I make, if there's leftover rice, I fry an egg that's very, like the yolk is very watery in a sense.
You get to add.
And then I put some chili powder or like a chili oil on it with fried hot dogs. And we eat it. It's good.
Just cut off the beard because I'm gonna line up myself with that razor the other day and get some terrible razor bump on in place. Tweeze them out, that's why they don't look so swollen. But for some reason they stuck there for the past week now. So in order to get rid of my bumps for my skin work, I have to clean shave. So hence I'm here with another baby face. It's me about, yeah man, as Alice said last night, even right now, I there are some I don't know how I edit videos. I barely get to do nothing for a morning. I edit videos, I edit a video yes and put it out and make my food and everything. I tell you, mash up last night, you see me? Because a bag of thing, man. This is gonna be like 2 vlogs because I had to get to do nothing today. You see me? Mash up last night, mash up. A jar just wake up. He been sick, so it's like I keep a close eye on him all the time, you know? And time he's sick is like I draw closer to them. Because I'm used to young and them thing there. I just know I feel like when you're sick and you just want your parents, you know, especially your father. You see me? My father never had the time for cuddle if you're sick and mommy do that something there. So I kind of switch it up. You see me? Now I say I switch it up for soft out to you them, but sometimes I just want the love there and the affection for your father. You know, say them say man we don't really have that much affection, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I show my son them the affection, man. Yeah man. I did it last night and I vomit. I have him on my shoulder and vomit up the whole of my shoulder. I have to put him to lie down across from my knee. And it just beer vomit. One night time I just liquid I come out. Just plain water. You see me? So never a nice moment for you see me with them sick. Trust me, sometimes when they sick, I wish I could have take them fine. But the funniest thing, I not panic last night. Typically I would panic and rush to the hospital. You see me? That's when I did Jameer. But because I understand say kids get sick and I them season, but we still watch it, you know, cause I look out the road because the dark, you know, not just after 5. Yeah, we still maintain it, I still watch it to make sure it's everything good with him. Two of them sick, my Jazz is stuffy. It's mess about Ajay was just vomiting, nah keep them nothing, nah eat nothing. So as I said, I normally say to Alice to make a rush kind of guy emergency. But now I kinda not really do that off the bat because I understand after having 3 kids, you kinda get a good understanding of what's happening. It can be a stomach flu or it can be an ear infection because them thing they call enough time rush guy emergency in Jamir, and those were the outcome. Not saying that you know deserve him hospital time, as I say, we are monitoring him. As I say, we are monitoring him. So I say, yeah, but when I tell him man vomit like crazy. I doubt if we get 3 hours sleep for the past 2 nights properly. One night before last night, I just get about 1 hour sleep. She have school 8 o'clock in the morning, so you know how that go. She have to up her feet, Jazzy, and pull out her nose kind of stuffy and can't breathe. And you know, say, winter chippy now, so that make it even worse. Every time winter chippy, they get all of them sick. I feel like I jammer him carry on the sickness, you know. Because if you listen to yesterday's Vlogmas number 5, I mean, I jammer in the car attack, you can hear him sound a little snotty. So he go to school and he get this sickness and he carry home, come get a little brother, them kind of all over them. But I not really blame him for this, because again a flu season. So I don't want to see this and feel bad. So Jamir, if you're seeing this, my friend, seeing this, don't feel bad. And then you make your brother them sick. But if you go to school and you get stuffy, kinda put on a mask and open their face too much. Just because remember, if your immune system is stronger than theirs, and you know how to blow your nose and help yourself, whereas they do not. That is it. I'll get 2 vlog another one, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the morning. Wait, that if me not reach home, chaos I go on it. Hopefully not.
Alright, so I'm flossing Kimber's teeth, and all of a sudden it started bleeding like crazy. And I touch it, it's wiggling. I'm like, oh my god, I think I jacked this tooth. They told me, oh no, it's been like that for a while. Let's see.
And then wiggly, it didn't seem like ready to come out.
Here, let me see if I can pull it. Let me just touch it and see how wiggly it is. It's pouring. Let me see if it's ready. Did it come out?
No, it didn't almost.
Oh, yeah. It's basically a wait, 1, 2, 3.
No, it's not ready. It's not ready.
Let me see how it looks though.
When they went on it, like bleeds.
Yeah, it's gonna stop. Let me stop turning off the light. So one side is out. This side over here. So it's basically by tomorrow. Oh, I wonder if it came out too quick. A lot of skin at the top. Then you've also got under the skin. You have to get salt water.
The next day.
Last night, 8. Sick out and week. You ready? I work here and got a doctor. Yeah. I'm going to forever say this, like when it come on from what I do as a career right now. Bless. This what I say? We be able to can multitask and jump in with the youth them when needs be like today. So Ajari, I get to check out. Just a kind of little bit stuff in that, but not as bad as Ajari, so just I go on money time and keep them apart a little bit. And see what I go on. See me so. So come here, do Oh, empty. He's having a bad cold and vomiting.
Vomiting?
Yeah.
He's got that virus. Hitting all the little ones right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, you know you don't like it. Come. Just wait. Give me the nose. Give me the nose. Come on, buddy. Let me see nose. Alright. You know when they're sick, it's to come and get a one fee. Take with the little pain, you know? I know this is not a jar when you run up and down all around your house. That's what I say. That's the thing, you feel it for them when they're sick in the car, you know, they're fully active, right? No matter in your eye. Go. Hello, good morning, how are you? The bad? And throughout the day yesterday, he wasn't eating at all. Like, he refused his breakfast, milk, everything. Yeah. No, day before yesterday, sorry. And then, so today is Wednesday, right? Mm-hmm. So Monday, he didn't eat? He didn't eat. So in the night, Monday night, he was vomiting.
Monday night had a vomit.
Yeah, he had a lot of vomiting. Last night, he wasn't vomiting last night.
Oh, I thought you said last night.
I'm mixing it up with Monday nights. Yeah. So we were just monitoring him yesterday, but when today he's having a lot of mucus.
No vomiting like yesterday.
No.
Any fever?
Yes, runny nose.
Fever and runny nose.
Yeah, discolored mucus. Yes, cough. Yeah.
Okay, but no vomiting since yesterday. If you clean the nose with the saline and then clean the nose, he may breathe better and then doesn't have a trouble.
Okay, so just saline for the nose cleaning.
Nose, yes.
And Tylenol for
fever, and the rest is going to be hydration.
And you're saying if he does vomit again, just bring him to the hospital?
Yes, if he's vomiting repeatedly and he does not breathe well, go to the hospital.
What about his milk? Should we continue his milk intake or just chicken broth?
Okay. Yeah, no. Just give the milk is okay. Chicken broth, blended chicken soup, everything should be liquid. Yeah. So he can swallow, because he may have a little bit sore throat also. The throat was a little bit congested.
And the Advil will help with that. Tylenol will help with that. Not Advil, sorry. What about what's that thing called that orange liquid for hydration?
That's okay. You can give orange juice is okay.
No, not the orange juice. This liquid for hydration. I don't remember the name.
Oh, the Pedialyte?
Pedialyte.
No, he doesn't need that. If he had the vomiting, you need to give the Pedialyte.
Oh, okay.
But if he doesn't have the vomiting, you don't need that because they don't like it. Just regular, like chicken broth is a very good thing. Oh, okay. You can make it like a banana shake for him. Oh. It's very good thing.
Banana shake?
Yeah, banana shake is good if he likes it. Anything that he likes, give a small amount. Don't force him because vomiting is not good. But give a small amount and don't push him and don't force him, okay?
Okay. Alright, thank you. So I get him some Tylenol and him think they call him say that the best thing.
I'm just going to the lab. Okay, dear.
So I say that the best thing to get him and a Tylenol. So I go just do that right now. Carry me. See if I can go to the gym, go get some workout before me go get some work done. You see it? so I never realize the time. Just come back from the gym. And there I go fry up some egg. Finish edit that vlog, yeah, as well as do some cooking video edits. So thank you very much for watching. Not much today, as I say, you them sick out. So that's what I did. But don't beat my body, no. Don't worry yourself, you know. Some new and exciting vlogs coming pretty soon. Remember, we are going to be traveling soon. So when we get to see all of that, just stick around. Vlogmas day 6 in the books. No flow for the love. Big up on yourself.